What about a mousse without eggs? Well, I'm making my eggless blueberry mousse, which you're going to love in this Christmas special series. Let's create magic. So first of all, I have this whipped cream. What is whipped cream? Well, whipping cream and heavy cream are two different types of creams. Heavy cream you use in desserts which are Indian, or you can use it in savory as well. Whereas whipping cream you use for only desserts. And it has a slight sweeter taste, and you whisk it with a whisk, with a balloon whisk. This is a balloon whisk. And you whisk it till it's light and fluffy, just like this. And this is the perfect cream consistency for my blueberry mousse. Okay, so we have everything. I'm not using sugar in this. I'm not using eggs in this. All I'm using is love. So I have whipped cream here. Now I'm going to add this blueberry compote. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. They are really good to lose weight, and they are very good for your skin as well. So if you get a chance to, if you see fresh blueberries, just grab them and make sure you include it in your diet. Otherwise you get frozen blueberries. All you need to do is boil it with a little bit of sugar and water and make it to this consistency. And that is what you need for this mousse as well. So this berry compote is going to go in the whipped cream. And then I'm going to add a little bit of honey, little bit of vanilla essence, and little bit of lemon juice for slight acidity. Okay. Now I'll add vanilla essence and lemon juice. And we shall whisk it. Look at this beautiful lavender shade. It is so pretty. You don't want to miss it for Christmas. You don't want to miss it on Christmas for sure. Look at that. Perfect. So now comes the gelatin. So what I've done with gelatin is I used 1 teaspoon of gelatin, and I've added warm water to it, lukewarm water, and I stirred it. So it's dissolved, just look at this. But just a teaspoon is enough for this bowl. So be careful when you're using gelatin in your food. You don't want the food or the dessert to be very rubbery. That's not good. So I am going to sieve it and add it to my dessert. Just a little bit. You always have to sieve it, because otherwise, you'll get lumps of gelatin in your mouth. Chances are very high. So we mix. Here we are. And now it's time to add some honey, because I'm not using sugar in any of my desserts. So they're healthy and indulgent, and it's Christmas. So you don't want to not eat desserts. Come on, you have to. Not too much, because the compote also has sugar. So I don't want to overdo it, but I still want that sweetness of honey into my desserts. Just fold it in. Yummy, yummy. Oh my God, this is delicious. So now it's time to plate. Believe it or not, it's so simple and easy. All you have to be sure of are the measurements. How much of gelatin you're adding, the cream you're adding, the type of cream you're adding, and the blueberry compote. Obviously, you can make it without blueberries. If you don't find blueberries, fresh or frozen, you can use strawberries, you can use mulberries, or you can find any interesting fruit which you feel that you want to experiment with. But mousse is really a sure shot winner, a showstopper rather, I would say, especially for your Christmas party. So here I have some crushed butter cookies. which I'm going to layer my mousse with. I'll give this as the base, and then I'm going to add some compote as well to make it look really pretty because it's Christmas. Okay, I'll start from here. Perfecto. Now with the help of a spoon, I'm going to press it. Look at that. And look at that. It's going to give a really nice layer to my mousse. Also, it's going to be really nice texture. And it complements the mousse. Like, this is perfect. And plus the plating is so sweet that if you're having a party, a Christmas party at home, this is really amazing. It's so handy. Somebody, whoever wants to enjoy it, can just take the glass and that's it. Done. And now it's time to put the mousse. So now, first you have to, what I did is I used the compote to dress the glass and then poured 3 spoonfuls of the mousse mixture and try to settle it evenly in the glass. Look at that. Amazing. Look at this beauty. Isn't it cute? I think it looks amazing. Simple, easy, and so delicious. That's our blueberry mousse. Look at that. Okay, we are done. Look at this beauty. Isn't this really inviting? Especially for something like a Christmas party. This is something that everybody's going to love. And it's so easy to prepare. And it's so cute. And obviously the taste and the flavor and my entire kitchen is smelling so good. I'm going to put a dollop of this in the center. Just 1 blueberry in the center. So I'm going to add the candied peel to add a dash of color and a little bit of flavor as well. Oh my god, this looks so cute, as if the orange rind is resting on this beautiful blueberry and enjoying the holidays. Look at that. Here we are. Our blueberry mousse is ready to receive all our guests for the Christmas party. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, do subscribe to my YouTube channel Shipra's Kitchen. Merry Christmas!